Sorry, I need to mute because you have music. Wala akong ano dito. Wala akong internet.
Kasi yung camera mo.
The resolution is just one thing. The other thing is
Pwede mo makiat?
Ha?
O may bayad?
Bayad.
My friend is Sony user. No, he had Canon, then he sell it for Sony.
Mamaya lang dito ka.
They don't know about the mirrorless.
mirrorless just means that, okay,
Ayan.
there's a very huge difference.
One you sensor, is it?
No.
Dapat din pala tayo sa baba.
Kaya nga eh.
Lalo, hindi mo makita.
There's a lot of people here, guys.
Meron dyan. Marketing lang.
I'm scared, sell you hold up. Oh, wow, I'm scared.
Hi.
Oh, this nice.
Yung kamay.
Okay, after whether they fly.
You
I don't
know,
ask, I just want to.
okay, lah.
You see?
If you find that this one is like they have a better percent inside.
Dapat mo talaga ako sa train niya.
Ito na lang. Ate, gamitin mo. Pala kay ate eh.
Let's go and read out. But you say last time, like, DSLR is like that.
Oo, yung mga...
Ha?
Naka-live ka ba?
Oo, saan tayo punta?
Sa Duterte. Dami nagpipicture.
Pila yun eh.
Ay,
Like, expensive mirrorless, right? It is also good. Like, it can be used. Like, this is considered not good.
Ate, picture.
Although after
Picture mo nga ako dyan.
the one that I was looking at, but I put
Ito, yan.
Ah, yeah, this is really nice.
these are very small pieces. There are bigger ones.
I'm too free, man.
It's nice so that you can like.
They put a lot bigger lens and all that.
Kaya,
The
Dahil ikaw?
like, cause the sensor is bigger, then you can like have more things. Not so like you can
One,
like imagine like
one,
big square.
two, three.
Yeah, then big square. Like, all
One,
the
two, three. Wow.
Good morning, guys.
Ikaw si ate din. One, two, three. Isa pa. One, two, three. Ate, ikaw nga doon kasi nandun siya kanina eh. Si ate. Ate Anne, bigyan mo sa kanya. Ay, may tao na naman. Yan, one, two, three. Tapos may tao na naman. Ayun yan, one, two, three. Ay! Okay, one, two, three. Yan. May mga tao. Ay, binigay ko sa Ayan.
sabay ano yung isa kanila.
Riwan.
Ka dyan, may nag-picture din.
Ay, sorry.
Yun, nalipad na flag. Ang laki ng
Saan? Ang laki ng flag,
Ang
oh.
haba ng pila. Papunta dun sa barko.
Kaya nga eh, actually kasi hanggang last day kasi nila ngayon eh.
Oh, kaya.
Tapos ngayon ang labasan ng mga tao. Wala kasi silang night nung nakaraan. Hanggang ano lang sila, around 5.
May bayad yan.
Free nga!
Ha?
Free!
Ah, free yan.
Mm-mm.